Ever wondered how much it really costs to power your business with Lightspeed? You're not alone. It's a question I get asked all the time, and frankly, it's a question that doesn't have a simple, one-size-fits-all answer. That's because Lightspeed, like many robust point-of-sale (POS) systems, offers a variety of plans and add-ons, each designed to cater to different business needs. So, pinning down an exact monthly cost is like trying to nail jelly to a wall. It depends on a whole bunch of factors. But don't worry, I'm here to break it all down for you. In this video, we're going to dissect the Lightspeed pricing structure, explore the different plans available, and help you figure out which one is the perfect fit and budget-friendly for your business. Whether you're a small boutique, a bustling restaurant, or a multi-location retail empire, understanding the costs involved is crucial for making an informed decision. Now, before we dive into the specifics, let's talk a little bit about why Lightspeed is such a popular choice in the first place. Lightspeed isn't just a cash register. It's a comprehensive business management platform. It handles everything from sales and inventory tracking to customer relationship management, CRM, and even e-commerce integration. Think of it as the central nervous system of your business, streamlining operations and giving you valuable insights into your performance. This powerful functionality comes at a cost, of course, but the key is to find the sweet spot, a plan that offers the features you need without breaking the bank. And that's precisely what we're going to figure out together. Lightspeed offers different product lines tailored to specific industries. This is the first big factor that influences cost. They have Lightspeed Retail, which is perfect for brick-and-mortar stores. Lightspeed Restaurant, designed for the fast-paced world of food service, and Lightspeed Ecom, which helps you build and manage your online store. Each of these product lines has its own pricing tiers. Let's start with Lightspeed Retail. Typically, you'll encounter tiered pricing plans, often named something like Essentials, Standard, and Premium. Each tier unlocks a different set of features. The Essentials plan is usually the most basic, offering core functionalities like sales processing, inventory management, and basic reporting. This is a good starting point for smaller businesses with simpler needs. As you move up the tiers, you'll gain access to more advanced features. The Standard plan might include things like customer loyalty programs, advanced reporting, and integrations with other business tools. This is ideal for growing businesses that need more sophisticated tools to manage their operations. Finally, the Premium plan typically offers the full suite of features, including everything from multi-location management and advanced analytics to dedicated account support. This is the plan for established businesses with complex needs and high transaction volumes. Now, the price difference between these tiers can be significant. That's why it's crucial to carefully consider your business requirements before choosing a plan. Don't pay for features you don't need, but also don't skimp on essential tools that can help you grow and scale. Lightspeed Restaurant follows a similar tiered pricing structure. However, the features offered are tailored to the specific needs of restaurants. You'll find things like table management, online ordering integration, and kitchen display systems. Again, the cost will depend on the tier you choose and the specific features you require. Lightspeed Ecom is a bit different. It's typically priced based on the number of products you sell and the transaction volume. They might also offer different tiers with varying levels of features, such as design customization and marketing tools. Beyond the core subscription cost, there are other factors that can impact your monthly expenses. One of the most significant is transaction fees. Lightspeed, like most POS systems, charges a small percentage of each transaction you process. This fee can vary depending on your payment processor and the type of card you accept. Another potential cost is hardware. While Lightspeed is primarily a software platform, you'll need hardware to run it, such as iPads, receipt printers, and barcode scanners. You can either purchase this hardware upfront or lease it from Lightspeed. Leasing can be a good option for smaller businesses with limited capital, but it's important to factor the lease payments into your monthly expenses. Add-ons and integrations can also add to your costs. Lightspeed offers a wide range of add-ons, such as gift card programs, loyalty programs, and appointment scheduling tools. These can be incredibly valuable for your business, but they come at an extra cost. Similarly, integrating Lightspeed with other business software, such as accounting or email marketing platforms, may also involve additional fees. So, how do you figure out the exact cost for your business? The best way is to visit the Lightspeed website and explore their pricing pages. They usually have detailed information about each plan and the features included. You can also use their pricing calculators, if available, to get a personalized estimate. But the most effective way to get an accurate quote is to contact Lightspeed directly. Their sales team can help you assess your needs and recommend the best plan for your business. They can also provide you with a detailed breakdown of all the costs involved, including transaction fees, hardware costs, and any potential add-ons. Don't hesitate to ask them lots of questions. Ask about discounts for annual subscriptions, ask about transaction fees, and ask about any potential hidden costs. The more information you have, the better equipped you'll be to make an informed decision. Remember, the cheapest plan isn't always the best. It's important to choose a plan that meets your needs and supports your business growth. Think long-term and consider how your needs might change in the future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.